What is up, Sideways fam? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm at Apexi USA with my buddy Danny and my buddy Gavin. We're here dynoing his Is300. I don't know if you guys remember the car, but this car used to be a 500 horsepower-ish cammed Is300 with a super nice setup that was still low budget but great power. He drove the car for about let's just say almost 2 years, and it was really strong. Started doing some heavy racing with the car, and did end up blowing it up. There's going to be a whole bunch of videos about this car. We're going to be kind of dropping it in when I have time. I've been doing a lot of other stuff besides just doing the shop lately, and it's just been really busy. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and give you a quick little overview of the car right now. The car's running, the car's on the dyno. Danny's already got it loaded up, and we're going to make some jam today. And new intake manifold, new injector, like it looks really nice. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So just looking at this real quick, I know there's going to be a lot of noise. There's going to be kind of tardy here. With the upgraded pulleys on it, the intake manifold, we have the new injectors. We went ahead and added the catch can in. Like I said, new rear AR housing. Went ahead and put the new turbo blanket on. Got an intake pipe on this thing now. Obviously the whole entire internal has been new. Went ahead and converted to the GTE valve covers from the GE setup that he had before. I will link the other videos in this video of the other builds and stuff. And we will, if you guys do ask, we will go ahead and also put the whole entire motor build that we were doing too. I will also link, the car's actually already been on dyno here before. This is the second time, and the video did not go up because we were on the dyno, and basically this guy right here decided that he was not going to have the clutch changed and said fuck it, thinking that the clutch was going to hold 700 horsepower-ish numbers. If that is not a big burly beast, I don't know what to say, but that is beautiful. So freaking cool. Alrighty, well that beauty's installed. We got the shim setup done. The air gap is good, and we're all happy with that. The head is fully ported now. You would be amazed at what the heads do once you actually do head work to your JZ. It is amazing. You can actually make even crazier numbers as well on pump gas. If you watch any of our other videos, you'll actually see that as well. Give me 1 second. Sorry, it was getting kind of annoying sitting there talking, facing the opposite direction. But anyways, if you do head work on your JZ, it is absolutely amazing. I 100% recommend it. You do have to know somebody or have somebody that can actually do it the proper way. But all in all, valve springs, retainers, you know, all the other good stuff that you need to do that is already done to the motor. We are on pump gas. We're on 91 octane right now, so we'll see what she hits. Danny wanted us to go ahead and lower the wastegate spring back down to a 10 PSI. I think I had it on like a 17 PSI to kind of just have him be able to ramp it up even higher. We're trying to go for somewhere around, I think we're going to go for like 650 to 700. He's thinking like 700 to 800. I don't exceed it ever on if it's going to be sketchy or not last. It's not worth it on the motor to go ahead and have it be getting killed quicker when you can have it be reliable, and we're not all made of money, and California is pretty freaking expensive. So anyways, we're going to go ahead and get rolling right now, and I'll see what she does. There's a diff right there, 3.9. Looking through that drivability real quick. The car's already been running and actually already kind of semi-tuned, so hopefully it should go down pretty quickly. He's been driving the car actually for, I think it's been about a month now since the clutch slipped, and we put that twin plate in there, so sounds so freaking good, man. Gotta love JZ's, man. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner every day. So we are done with 91. Draining out the fuel right now. So he actually made the same amount of power, but actually like more power and everything. You can see the graphs here from before. So like he did better than he did last time, and this is just pump gas, so it's absolutely amazing. So let's get this stuff drained, put the go juice in, and then get done with this today. So what we've done right now is open the other side of the tank, and we're watching the fuel on the other side of the saddle go to this side so that we can actually get all of the 91 out to even get it on E85 properly, because then we're going to get a really fucked up mixture and not be able to do it right. So we were able to get that side of the Venturi to work by running the pumps and leaving a gallon in here after sucking it all dry to get it to work. So really freaking cool actually to be able to see it and watch it. So you can see right here, it's super basically low, and you got that valve in there that's basically sucking it out. See how you can see it moving? Sorry for the lighting. Really cool. But yeah, we're gonna get all this stuff out. Usually I'd use like a pump and I'd pump out all the gas, but I keep blowing up my pumps. So we're just gonna do it this way. It was kind of a little bit of a bitch to figure it out, but I haven't shown this in any videos. So pretty cool, guys. Whenever you're gonna be doing your E85 or your flex fuel tune, this is what you're gonna have to do, guys. Gavin made a messy poo, so now we're just finishing draining in the E right now. Good old boost juice. All right, guys, so E85 is in. Car runs amazing like always. Danny does an amazing job. So let's go ahead and see what she does. Quick little drivability part on the E85. Danny's working through it pretty fast, so it looks like we're doing good. Look at the fucking graph. Holy shit. He didn't even finish the fucking pull. It's already at 600 horsepower. What the fuck, bro? Alrighty guys, so last pull done. Here is the graph. He made some gems at 22 PSI. He's extremely happy, so happy man right there. So gonna unload the car off the dyno now and get on the road. Anyways guys, Gavin's car is all done. He went ahead and took the car home. Is extremely happy. Car did exactly what we said it was gonna do. There is more content about this car that I have on my phone. I'm not really sure if I want to go through the hassle of editing everything, so I'm going to go ahead and give you a quick little segment at the end of this video that's just going to show pretty much a quick little run through of the head getting ported, the motor being put together, just a whole bunch of stuff. It's basically a fully rebuilt 2JZ GE bottom end with GTE rods and non-vvti 10-to-1 compression pistons. with a fully ported, full CNC ported head and 272 cam. It's BC valve springs and retainers. Motor's being revved out to about 8,000 RPM. That was 22 PSI to make the 700 plus number that we did. Overall, just amazing. You know, I think it's a 68, 65 with a 1.0 AR, twin scroll manifold, twin scroll turbo, with a set of FMS 1300cc injectors, you know, King's intake manifold, you know, big intercooler, twin fuel pumps, all the good stuff, AEM Infinity, our old harness, everything in the car does work. I mean, AC, everything's functional, all the gauges, everything. So on the IS and the GS, if you're trying to do something really nice, like a really good platform, we do have a really nice streamlined setup, but we only do offer this to customers that have their car built by us. I don't sell harnesses to public. A lot of people have been messaging me if I can just sell them stuff. I will sell you parts, but I do not sell my harnesses. They only get built for my customers and tuned in-house. But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Any questions or concerns or things you guys want to talk about, feel free to message me on Instagram or maybe even on YouTube. I've been trying to catch up on everything. I got a lot going on right now, but thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, guys, peace.